welcome to the very first, the inaugural,
the Solgaard
Hacking Olympics.
In today's competition, we will be judging our contestants based on their
speed,
quantity,
and organization abilities.
There will be a timer for 90 seconds.
Let's go. Guys, I'll let you know when you've got 30 seconds left. Timer starts. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, wait, John, what's your packing strategy?
To throw everything in there as quickly as possible, and organization will follow.
What's your packing strategy, Lisa?
To get as many of the cute clothes in the suitcase, and that's it.
Like sweating.
Oh my god, you packed so much already!
I'm a pro packing a lot, and I'll kill this.
And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time.
To be honest, I'm not impressed by the organizational skills.
I'm not impressed by the teamwork or the lack of teamwork that I saw.
just
John
let it slide.
started the fighting, so I think he loses 1 point. So we've got at least 4 boxers, 1 button-up shirt, a couple of flannel bits, and 2 pairs of shoes. She got quite a bit of stuff in here. This is, folded pretty nicely, this shirt-ish. The shoes did fall out when she opened the suitcase, so they weren't like properly stored. I'm not
Also,
sure.
what a waste of opportunity.
She didn't use the bottom space at all. Oh, he used the compression strap and the other side. That's looking good here for Johnzinho. All right,
So,
John.
very different from
Very
our
different.
last contestant.
Yeah, I mean, there are literally clothes falling out. So quantity's looking good, but organization, not so much.
Look at the amount of
The
stuff
quantity,
in
though,
here.
like, we're looking at a lot.
this is impressive.
I think we're gonna need to take this one to the scales.
Bring out the scales.
It comes down to this, the scales.
Correct.
Blue. We're at 16.3 pounds. Here comes green, 17.1 pounds. 17.2 pounds.